If we could look to the stars.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I have some news. Now, if you watched my last video, which was the day in the life of a military wife vlog, I had a little conversation with you guys at the end of my video. And if you didn't see that, then I will make sure that I popped it up in the iCard so you can click on that. But basically, I am no longer going to be posting 3 days a week. I'm going to be posting 2 days a week, which I know may seem like super dramatic for some of you guys that I'm making this a big deal, but for me it is a big deal. If you've watched my videos and we've interacted on my Instagram or even in just the YouTube comments, or you're like a personal friend of mine, you know that I care a lot about my YouTube channel. My channel is super important to me and I work very hard on it. I spend lots of late nights editing. I spend lots of my time filming and coming up with ideas, editing thumbnails, doing emails and stuff like that. So I work very hard on my channel. I put a lot of hours into it, but if you also know me, then you know I am a full-time student and I'm very busy, and my schooling is kind of coming to an end. I am supposed to be finished by the end of the summer. If you guys aren't aware, I'm in dental assisting school and I'm kind of doing a self-paced online program, and yeah, so I'm nearing the end of that. I've been working really hard to get school done, but the bottom line is that I just don't have the time to produce 3 quality videos a week. And you guys were overwhelmingly supportive and kind and just so nice in my last video in the comment section when I talked about going down to posting 2 days a week, and you guys were so supportive. I didn't get any comments that were negative, which I didn't think that I would, but it's just really nice to see that you guys support me no matter what I do. And someone made a really good point, and they said that people whose YouTube channels are their full-time careers post 3 times a week. So it's amazing that I've been posting 3 times a week, especially because I make very little money off of my channel. So I'm putting in lots of effort in getting, you know, a small monetary reward for it. So I kind of just want to take a step back, slow down a little bit. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to post 2 days a week. I'm going to be posting on Wednesdays and Saturdays because that was the majority vote of what people in the comment section wanted to see, is Wednesdays and Saturdays. So I think that that's a good uploading schedule, because Saturday is a day that a lot of people don't upload. Most people upload during the week. Well, I shouldn't say most, but a lot of people upload during the week, so I thought that that would be a nice little switch up for me to upload on a Saturday. And then Wednesday is a day that I already upload anyway, and it's kind of in the middle of the week, so I thought that those 2 days would be good. I think I'm going to stick with 8 a.m., my posting time. Let me know if you guys like that or if you would like me to switch it up down below. I do want to keep a specific day and time schedule because that works for me. And then I think I'm going to throw in a live video. I'm going to try to do once a week, but if not, definitely every other week, which is something that I did anyways. But just so you guys have like another little something to watch, I'll do lives. And maybe if you want me to like schedule those and make that like a set day and time, I don't know, I kind of just do those sporadically when I have time, like on nights that I'm just doing nothing. So yeah, I hope you guys aren't upset about this. I think that this will help me produce better videos, better quality videos, more creative content. I think that this will help me a lot. And I think that just by like cutting 1 video a week, it will really help me. So I know that you guys understand. I hope that you understand. And that's really all today's video is going to be about. Today is my birthday when I'm filming this, so happy late birthday to me. I turned 22 today, March 14th, so I'm posting this tomorrow, the day after my birthday. And yeah, I am feeling really good about this decision. I hope that you guys are excited because I feel like I will be able to, I don't know, I just feel like I'll make better videos this way, and I know I've said this a million times, so I'm gonna quit talking about it. But another thing I wanted to mention is that you guys have been blowing my Instagram up today on my birthday. If you don't follow me, it is Foxx v Baby if you want to follow me on Instagram. It's where I'm the most active. And yeah, you guys have just been so sweet. I am so lucky to have subscribers that are not only like subscribers but also my friends, because I notice like every single one of your comments, like I read all of my comments, I reply to most of my comments, I message everybody back on Instagram. Like I have the same people over and over again that message me, and it's like we're friends. It's just really cool that YouTube has the ability to bring people together to form friendships online. Like I think of you guys as like my internet friends, even though I've not met pretty much any of you in person, but I'm just really thankful today, and I am feeling good about this decision. So that's really all I wanted to say. So Wednesdays and Saturdays at 8 a.m. I may switch up the time every now and again. I've just been so hard on myself because I never miss. Ever since I've started my Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule, I've never missed an upload. And this was like back in the fall. So I've been doing this for a while now. And even when I didn't have the time or the energy, like I was still pushing myself to get things up because I didn't want to fail you guys, which I know sounds so silly, but when I am like determined to do something, like nothing can stop me. And so I feel really like a failure if I don't accomplish it. I know that some of you guys can relate to that. I hope that you guys are excited about this because I think this is a good thing. I don't see this as a bad thing. And I just want to thank you guys for all the support. You guys are so sweet all the time. The positivity and the kindness and the love way outweighs the negativity that I get here on YouTube, and I just hope that you guys know that I appreciate you and I see you and I love you. And yeah, so I'm gonna start this new schedule next week. So today is Friday that I'm posting this, so next week I will not be posting until Wednesday and then again on Saturday. And yeah, that's all I have to say today. So make sure you go follow me on all my socials. I leave them down below. And if you want to subscribe on your way out, that would be great. That's all I have to say. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
What am I doing?